So also, I forgot to mention that this printer was about a $200 printer. It is not super expensive to get started. It is an Anycubic printer. I believe that's the name of it. And then you need the filament dryer. I mean, there is a way to hang a roll of filament here on the printer, but my son really recommended this filament dryer to keep it in good condition. It was about $100. And then the rolls of filament, I don't remember exactly, but I think they were between $13 and $20 each. I bought 3 rolls to get started. So, you know, you can get started for under $350 if you want to start with an inexpensive printer. Now it does have limitations. The print head goes side to side and up and down, and then the print plate goes forward and backward. And he said that it's better if the print head does all the moving and the print plate stays stationary. I'm sure other people have differing opinions on that, but all in all, this is not a super expensive hobby to get into, especially if you don't mind entry-level printers.